Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Elliott Wave-Forecast video blogs. My name is Helgi and today I will talk a bit about Netlist. This is a technology company, very popular on stock tweets. Many followers are interested. The price action is also devastating for many, but for others there's an opportunity. And today I will talk about cycles, sequences in this count in Netlist, and also most important on real opportunities, how one can join the market for more upside to make money with it. So first of all, Netlist has been founded 2000 and IPO happened 2006. First of all on Nasdaq, and then it has moved to OMCQB, but nevertheless it remains tradable, popular, and you can join it by buying it there once you understand their advantages. So after initial cycle here in wave 1, which has made an all-time high back in 2007, we saw zigzag lower. Zigzag is a Elliott wave structure which is 535. Hereby first 5 waves have been developed as an impulse, 1, 2, impulsive wave 3, 4, 5. Then it has made a bounce which has fell below these highs. This is called a connector, and based on this connector we expect then more downside. Wave C cannot go towards completely 100% because this is which is called lack of space. Lack of space means when wave C needs to go towards 100%, which is based on the sequence, but it cannot because the price will be minus 4.54. The prices in stocks cannot become negative. That's the reason why, due to the lack of space, the third swing sometimes it need to truncate without reaching 100%. Now, based on A and B, it hasn't reached 100%, but it has made a new low, and the low was in place, we believe it, at 0.10, so 10 cents. Just imagine from the highs up there where the price was 12.64, it has dropped over 10 cents. Now from these lows, the new cycle has happened. To prove it, we need first to break above these highs. Hasn't happened yet, but we remain bullish here in Netlist, and we call a first nest in progress, and it might be ending very soon. The initial impulse, wave 1, has clearly ended, and now we see a consolidation lower in wave 2, which either has ended already or it is expected still for more downside. Now let's take a look on daily structure. I will explain why it is still in progress and why bearish sequence provides pressure for more downside. Bearish sequence means that once we will have here a cycle lower and then a bounce, we see this bounce has broken above WXY, above this structure lower, which is cycle in wave W. We have made here a new connector, and then we have renewed the low. Once we have broken below January 2022, we have opened a bearish sequence against the highs from May 2022. Now, while trading below 6.65, where right side is down, we expect lower. Now again, we need to know how deep it can go. We measure W and X and we obtain 100%. We see that 100%, if I remove this for better view, is minus 0.33. Again, it is negative, it cannot be, but it can reach 0.618, 0.786. It has reached already this area. This intermediary area has been reached within swing number 5. We call WXY 7 swing structure. Hereby this is swing number 1, 2, 3. Connector was swing number 4 out of 7. Then swing number 5 usually reaches 0.618. There was enough space for swing number 5. 6. Now swing number 7, as already proven, minus 0.33 cannot be reached, but it can truncate at, for example, 0.618. Measuring W and X, 0.618 for the swing number 7, 100% cannot be reached again, but 0.618 can. So therefore 0.6721 can be reached still, and since we expect in such stocks like Microsoft still more downside, and also Amazon, they have sequence and they have space to reach 100%, like $59, then also we expect in Netlist more downside, but not towards negative values, more likely towards 0.67, 0.10. 0.10, just to recall, is the low of this cycle. If it will break 0.10, then this is not wave 1, this is a larger connector, and instead of doing ABC of 2, this is still W, this is X, and we're still in wave Y of 2, and wave 2 is still in progress. We favor, however, that these lows will hold. Therefore, investors get now an opportunity either to buy it already because it offers already a nice reward to risk ratio, because buying at 165 and targeting in overall the new all-time highs above 12 gives a very nice perspective. However, if you wanna wait and get even better price, if it will happen, we don't know, but from the lows we see only 3 swings. After doing this, it can still extend lower and you can buy from 0.67, 0.10, and expecting from this area, from below $1, expecting long-term rally. This rally can bring us, based on the length of 1 and 2, in medium term, we can measure it. We take wave 1 and we assume wave 2 will end at, for example, 0.22. Then target high will be 10.36.16. If we buy below $1 and the target is 10, it is reward to risk 10 to 1. So risking, for example, 1,000, you are looking to gain 10,000. It's a nice deal from this point of view, I hope. This is a real opportunity how you can use bearish sequence, understand why bearish sequence still press the prices lower, but on the other hand, why it cannot go below 0. There's some limited downside due to this lack of space, and also tech stocks like Microsoft 185.87, also Amazon 59, they provide a floor for tech stocks like Netlist, and once these areas will be reached, then we expect a larger cycle in wave 3 in black in Amazon, and we expect then also in Netlist a stronger cycle higher in wave 3 in blue or 3 in black. So next target would be based on 1 and 2 towards 10.36 and beyond. In the blog, which is written here, you can see more data. I explain it again. You can read it black on white. By the way, we have this weekend on Friday free webinar. It's free, but you need to register because the number of places is limited. Just catch your place, register now, and attend for free the seminar. We will talk about commodities, very hot topic today. And also for new members, we have free trial, not free, but it is 0.99 cents, almost free, $1 for 14 days of our full service for new members. Thank you all for watching and follow our video blogs. Thank you all again.